In a world where the wild grows restless, unexpected alliances and rivalries emerge. Camels, the kings of the desert, and reindeer, the guardians of the tundra, rise together to challenge the natural order. Their combined strength sends shockwaves through the animal kingdom, creating ripples of awe and chaos. Meanwhile, zebras, ever vigilant, stand their ground as the guardians of balance.
Roosters have vibrant, colorful plumage, including a glossy red comb on top of their head and wattles beneath their beak. The comb and wattles play a role in regulating body temperature and are also used in attracting hens. Mountain goats have thick, white fur that helps insulate them from cold temperatures. Their fur is dense and water-resistant, which keeps them warm and dry in harsh mountain conditions. They also have short, black horns that are curved and grow throughout their lives. The panda's iconic black and white fur is thought to serve as camouflage. The white helps them blend in with the snowy mountainous regions, while the black helps them blend in with the dark, dense forests. Gorillas belong to the family Hominidae, and their scientific names are gorilla gorilla for the western gorilla and gorilla beringae for the eastern gorilla. There are two species, the western gorilla and the eastern gorilla, each with several subspecies. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that they use to store food. These pouches can extend all the way back to their shoulders. Hamsters are very active and need a wheel or plenty of space to run. Hippopotamuses live in rivers, lakes, and swamps, where they spend most of their time submerged in water. This helps them stay cool under the hot African sun, as their bodies can overheat quickly in the heat. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, fruits, and flowers from trees. They prefer acacia trees but will also eat from other tree species. Their long necks allow them to reach leaves high above the ground, which other herbivores can't access.
Pumas are native to the Americas and have one of the largest ranges of any wild terrestrial mammal. They can be found from Canada to the southern Andes in South America, including many parts of the United States.
Wolves live in packs, which are usually family groups. A pack typically consists of a breeding pair, the alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other unrelated wolves. Packs work together to hunt and raise young.
Lionesses are fiercely protective mothers. After giving birth, they usually raise their cubs in a secluded area away from the rest of the pride.
Leopards are found in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, savannas, grasslands, deserts, and mountainous regions. They inhabit areas across Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, and China.
African buffalo can weigh between 1,100 to 2,000 pounds, 500 to 900 kilograms. Water buffalo can grow even larger.
Most bears are omnivores, eating plants, fruits, nuts, insects, fish, and small animals. Exceptions include the polar bear, which is mostly carnivorous, and the giant panda, which primarily eats bamboo. Many bears are strong swimmers and climbers.
Dogs were domesticated around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. They are believed to have evolved from wolves, with early humans selectively breeding them for traits such as companionship, Snakes are legless reptiles. Instead of legs, they use their long, flexible bodies and specialized muscles to move. They rely on a unique form of locomotion called serpentine movement. Moose are primarily found in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia. They prefer cold, temperate climates and are most common in Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia.
Tigers are the largest of the big cats. The tiger's scientific name is Panthera tigris. It belongs to the big cat family, Felidae, and is the largest species in this family. Cats were domesticated about 9,000 years ago, likely in the Near East, where they helped protect food supplies by hunting rodents. A cat's whiskers are highly sensitive and help them navigate their surroundings, detect objects, and measure spaces. Llamas are domesticated animals originally from the Andes Mountains of South America, especially Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, and Chile. Llamas are known for their gentle and curious nature, making them popular in petting zoos and farms. Alligators are found primarily in freshwater environments such as rivers, lakes, swamps, and marshes. They are native to the southeastern United States and parts of China. American alligators are particularly common in Florida and Louisiana. Alligators are carnivorous and have a varied diet. They feed on fish, birds, amphibians, and mammals. Bulls are generally much larger and stronger than cows. They have a muscular build with well-developed necks and shoulders, which help them in activities such as mating, protecting territory, and competing with other bulls. Bulls are often considered to have a more aggressive temperament compared to cows. Donkeys are smaller than horses, standing around 3 to 4 feet tall at the shoulder. They are compact and sturdy animals with strong legs and a thick coat that helps protect them in harsh conditions. The domestic donkey's scientific name is Equus asinus. Cows are widely known for producing milk, which is a major source of dairy products like cheese, butter, and yogurt. A single dairy cow can produce between 6 to 7 gallons of milk per day, depending on the breed and care. Elephants have extraordinary memories, and their intelligence is among the highest in the animal kingdom. They can remember places, individuals, and experiences for many years. Their intelligence is demonstrated by their ability to use tools, solve problems, and communicate with each other. Elephants are highly social animals living in tight-knit family groups.
Polar bears are native to the Arctic region and are found throughout the circumpolar Arctic, including parts of Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Norway, and Russia. They primarily live on sea ice, where they hunt for food. Lions are known for their powerful roars, which can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away. The roar is a form of communication that can mark territory or signal strength.
Horses were domesticated over 5,000 years ago, originally in the steppes of Central Asia. They were used for transportation, farming, and as companions. Horses communicate through body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, snorts.
Reindeer are the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. Male antlers are typically larger and are shed after mating season in late autumn, while females keep theirs through the winter. Reindeer are well adapted to cold climates. Their thick double-layered fur helps them survive extreme temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius.
Camels are famous for their ability to survive without water for long periods. They can go for several days without drinking by conserving moisture in their bodies. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one sitting, rehydrating rapidly. Camels are incredibly well adapted to hot, arid climates.
Ever vigilant, stand their ground as the guardians of balance, watching over the chaos and strategizing their next move. From scorching dunes to frozen plains, the story unfolds as these mighty beasts fight for dominance, survival, and their place in the wild.